With face, guys. With face, dito kayo mag-chat. Wala yung ibang letter sa dulo. Face dito mag-chat, start agad. Start agad. Wala na kayong iintayin. Thank you, Chu. Wala nang iintayin. Start agad with face. Dito kayo mag-chat. Start agad with face. Sa dulo, start agad. Walang group, walang bot. Paulit-ulit kung sasabihin. Hindi ko alam bakit napupunta pa rin kayo sa mga poster. Walang bot, walang group, mag-ingat sa mga poster. Hindi ko alam ba't napupunta pa rin kayo sa mga poster. Sinasabi ko na nga, walang group to. Nag-PM ako sa'yo. 970. Reply ako mag-avail ka ba?
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much
Dito
deeper.
kayo mag-chat, walang ibang letters sa dulo. Start agad.
And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's
Walang
taking
ibang
over, damn
letters
no
sa
closure,
dulo.
moving
Start
closer.
agad with face.
No exposure, I
Mag-ingat
just
kayo sa
wanna
mga
be a
poster.
loner. Some can't stay sober,
Walang
looking
bot,
over all
walang
their
group,
shoulders,
ha?
like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the
Walang bot,
stuff
walang group.
under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got
Ingat sa mga
nightmares in my
poster,
head,
guys.
I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Mel, anong alin ba
I got
doon? Eto nga,
nightmares in my
sinasabi ko na nga,
head, I
walang bot, walang group.